Ready to take your Azure AI skills to next level? In this video, our cloud expert will walk you through the essentials of Azure AI services, focusing on key difference between single service and multi-service resources. You will learn how to efficiently provision and manage AI service in Azure. Whether you are working with Vision, language or other AI tools, this session packed with insights for both real-world projects and exam preparation. Stay tuned until the end for an exclusive free class offer from industry experts.
What I'm interested in Azure AI services, right? So there are so many services you can see here. We are going to learn one by one each service, right? Azure OpenAI account, AI search, face API, speech service, custom vision, language service, translator. Okay, bot, you can check it because we have Q&A. Okay, and content moderator, personalizer, all these are the extra things which we are not going to learn, but if it's your wish, okay, if you want to learn, you can learn, but anyways, you won't get any question in the exam. Now, you can see here, there is a Azure AI Services multi-service account, okay, which we are supposed to create if we want to use any of the services. Okay, so for almost all the services available, okay, you can choose between either from the single service account or the multi-service account. So I'll show you. So see here, when I'm clicking on it, it's a multi-service account. Okay, when I say it's a multi-service resource account, that means you can provision an Azure AI service resource that supports, multiple AI services. Okay, so I am onto this page, which is multi-service account. And in the multi-service account, if I want to connect with more than 3 or 4 services, let's say I'm working in the Vision, I'm merging it with NLP, I'm using the document intelligence. So I can't choose single service resource. Why I'm choosing multi-service resource is like, so that you can create, single resource that enables you to use multiple Azure AI services. It can be language, it can be vision, it can be anything. Okay, so that's the reason it's a multi-service. Now, what is the difference between single and multi, right? The next question here, what is the difference between these two? So in the multi-service account, remember one thing, okay? So multiple Azure AI services, you are going to access with the single key and endpoint. Okay, and single key service resource is something where each AI service is provisioned basically for the individuality. For example, by creating, any AI language and AI vision resource in your Azure subscription, let's say. So you should have the unique key concept, unique key and endpoint. So this is the difference, and this difference you should know for the exam perspective also. Okay, so you will be getting multi-service resource, you will be getting single service resource, and the concept of the single key and the unique key should be clear to you. Okay.
Thank you so much for staying with us till the end of the video. Now all you have to do is just click the link in the description below, or if you are starting out, just type k21academy.com/AzureAIML02. Now enter your name, enter your email ID, enter phone number and click on book your free seat now. Then you will be taken to a free page. Now you can add this session to your Google Calendar or Apple Calendar, and I promise this is something that you don't want to miss. So go ahead, click on the link and step into the world where learning knows no boundaries. Till then, keep enjoying. I'll see you in the next video.